of Pasig City, Kong Jojo Ang of Uswag Ilonggo Party List, Congressman Patrick Michael Vargas of Quezon City, Kong Juan Carlos Arjo Aytayde of Quezon City, Nicanor Nicky Briones of AGA Party List, Congressman Marcelino Marci Teodoro of Marikina, Congressman Florida Robes of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Congressman Leandro Jesus Madroña of Romblon, Congressman Benjamin Benji Agarao Jr., Congressman Florencio Gabriel Bernoel of Anwaray Party List, Kong Leo de Odi Tariela of Occidental Mindoro, Congressman Reynan Arrogancia of Quezon Province, Kong Marvin Rillo of Quezon City, Kong Teodoro Haresco of Aklan, Kong Antonieta Yudela of Sambuanga Sibugay, Kong Dean Asisio of Caloocan, Kong Marivic Pilar of Quezon City.